Okay, everything's in the car. Well, almost everything. Someone who usually sits next to me is missing, it seems. I knew it. Gotcha. You ready? Get in. Let's head out. Nah, I'm sure the weather is gonna be fine. I checked the readings this morning. Strap your seatbelt on, please and thanks. Are you excited? I know you love my parents, and they love you too. What do you mean? Of course they do. Last time I checked, they were almost bummed when I told them that I don't know if we can make it this year. And the excitement when I told them we could. If that doesn't tell how much they love having you around, then I don't know what does. Oh, did I see a tiny smile? I think I did. Yes, and you love this silly side of me. I love you too. You can take a nap if you want. You didn't get any proper sleep last night, and we had to wake up early. I'll wake you up when we're there. Gosh, I'm a bit nervous. I mean, I'm not just going to be spending time with them. I'm planning to take the next step in our relationship, and nobody has got a clue about it. Hopefully, everything goes well. I hope they don't think I'm rushing it. I feel like it's the right time. I don't know. I think I'm overthinking things, and everything is going to be just fine. And God, I hope the weather reports didn't lie. It's getting a little foggy out there. Funny how the weather matches exactly how I feel inside. But I don't need another storm. Not right now. I desperately need this day to be perfect. Shit. It's crazy out here, and I don't know if I can drive in this weather. Shouldn't have believed that goddamned weatherman. And now I need to wake her up as well. Hopefully she doesn't get too mad, especially when I promised her that the weather was going to be nice. Psst, baby. Hey, open those beautiful eyes of yours. There we go. Hi. Now, I need you to not freak out, but we've got a problem. You can hear it and see it, I'm sure. Yeah, it's a pretty bad snowstorm, and I don't think it's safe to continue to drive. I know what I said, okay? I think I'll give my mom a call to ask if our cottage is nearby and if we can use it until this storm calms down. Babe, I know. I couldn't possibly have known it would actually get this bad. So give it a break already. We're fine. Well, maybe if we had left yesterday like we planned, none of this would have happened. But no. Someone had to meet up with their friend who's always dragging you into their mess. And maybe we would have left on time if you actually woke up when I tried waking you up. So don't put all this on me. Babe, wait. I didn't mean it like that. Oh, nice going, idiot. Now she's out there in the storm. Maybe I should give her a little space. But the cold and the storm... Damn it. What if she gets hurt out there? Or gets sick? But knowing her, when she's pissed off like this, she would want some space. And I still have to call Mom. but I can't leave her out there too long. Hey, Mom. Yeah, I'm not too good right now, and I'm in a hurry. Have you got some time? Okay, so we were on our way, and then the storm hit out of nowhere. I can't drive in this weather, it's too risky. So I wanted to ask, is our cottage nearby and good to use? At least for the time being, before the storm calms down. Oh, we are? Yep. That one market. The one with our go-to shop back when I was a kid. It's nice that you still go there. So, it's nearby? And we can go there. You're sure? Yes, I have the keys with me. Thanks, Mom. I think I can manage driving there, but not much farther in this weather. You're a lifesaver. Yes, I'll be careful. I promise. I've got to go now, but I'll call you later to keep you guys posted. Bye. Alright, I need to get out there and talk with her now. She needs to get back inside before she gets sick. Or worse. God, I don't even want to think about it. Baby, where are you? Can you come here? I know you wouldn't have gone too far. I hope. So, please, we need to talk. And we need to do it inside, in the car. I don't want you to get sick or hurt. Please? There you are. Baby, you're shaking. Well, no wonder you're trembling in this weather. Let's go back to the car. Please? Good. Thank you. Baby, I'm sorry about earlier. I didn't mean to raise my voice like that. And I definitely didn't mean any of the awful stuff I said. None of this is your fault. It's no one's fault, really. Can I hold you for a while? You're still shaking. Come here, then. Shh, 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 shh. Breathe. Just let the heating system and my body warm you up. It's okay. I know you didn't mean any of it either. Yes, I called my mom, and she said that we can use the cottage as long as we need to. The fireplaces we've got will definitely get you all toasty and warmed up. What was that? No, like I said, I didn't mean it like that. They're your friend, so of course you'll be there for them. I would be too. I was just frustrated about the situation. Like this storm practically spawned out of nowhere. I was frustrated with myself too, for blindly trusting the news. We should have always been prepared, just in case. Yes, I promise, you didn't do anything wrong. I love you too. Are you ready to leave? We can talk more when we reach the cottage, if you feel like it. When we're safe, sound, and warm. Okay, put on your seatbelt then. Let's get inside, quickly. I'll get the fire going. Finally here. It really is cold out there. Grab a seat while I do this. There we go. Now, let's put this blanket over here, and you can sit next to me in front of the fire. Are you okay? You seem a little quiet, so I was just making sure. You know you can talk to me about anything. Is it about the fight we had earlier? Then what's wrong, baby? What do you mean I was right? Baby, I told you... Well, I mean... Yeah. Maybe she leans on you for support a little too much. But no, baby. It doesn't bother me. As long as she's respecting your boundaries, I don't mind. Look, baby. I was stressed, frustrated, and scared too. The weather is really scary right now, and I don't want anything to happen to you. It all just freaked me out and caused me to lash out. I promise, it's nothing more. Are you okay with her depending on you? And with helping her out to this extent? Then that's all that matters. I'm so sorry that I made you feel like this. I never should have lashed out like that, especially at you. It's okay. You didn't push it. You were scared too. Come here. You're okay. Let's just stay like this for a while. Just you and me listening to the fire crackling. We can also lie down if you want to cuddle. Okay, one sec. Let me just settle down first. Now get in here. There we go. Now I can wrap my other arm around you. Cozy? Good. I'm sure the storm will pass by tomorrow, so we can continue our trip then. Are you feeling better? Or do you want to talk more about what happened earlier? You sure? Okay. I just don't want you to suppress your feelings. If something's bothering you. But I trust that you'll let me know if that's the case. Yeah, a little. So, how about we take a nap? I love you too, honey. Still there. This wasn't the plan, but it's gonna happen tomorrow. I promise you that. Tomorrow, everything will change for the better. Sweet dreams, honey.